In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove files from the Shared With Me section in Google Drive. There can be numerous reasons why you might want to tidy up this area, perhaps to declutter and make it easier to focus on the files you actually use. Let's dive in. To start, head over to your web browser and open Google Drive. If you haven't done so already, sign in with your Google account by entering your email and password. Once you're logged in, you'll be on your main Google Drive page. From here, you'll see a menu on the left side of the screen. It's our navigation center and crucial for this task. Locate and click on the option labeled Shared With Me. This section houses all the files and folders that others have shared with you. Think of it as a communal space where shared content lives. Once you're in this area, take a moment to scroll through the files listed. It might look like a zip code on a busy day in terms of all the items, so scan carefully for the files you wish to remove. After identifying a file you want to remove, you'll notice that when you hover your mouse over it, it highlights in light blue. This color change is your cue that it's ready for interaction. Left-click on the file to select it. Feel free to hold down the Command key on Mac or the Control key on Windows if you need to select multiple files. Once you've selected the files, look toward the top right corner of your selection. You'll see 3 vertical dots, also known as the More Actions menu. Click on these 3 dots, and a drop-down menu will appear. Among the options presented, you'll see Remove. By selecting this, you are not actually deleting the file from its original owner's drive. Rather, you are removing it only from your view within your Shared With Me section. It's a bit like taking it off your personal shelf, without discarding it from the library, so no worries about permanently losing access or deleting content for others. And just like that, the file will disappear from your Shared With Me list, aiding in keeping your workspace organized and efficient. Repeat these steps for any additional files you'd like to clean out. Remember, maintaining an organized digital workspace not only clears visual clutter, but can significantly enhance your productivity. Thank you for tuning in today. With these steps, you'll be well on your way to optimizing your Google Drive experience. Keep exploring